Learning the word nab. So, Sam, how's everything going with your new neighbor?
Oh, it's been interesting. I heard about a crime in our neighborhood the other day. The police nabbed a suspect after a brief chase.
Nab? What does that mean?
Nab is a versatile word. It means to catch or seize someone or something. It has a few common uses in English, and it can be quite handy in different situations.
Really? Can you give me some examples?
Sure. Let me explain. The first use of nab is when you arrest or apprehend someone. For example, the police nabbed the suspect after a brief chase. This means the police caught and arrested someone who was involved in a crime.
Oh, so it's used when someone is caught by the police for doing something wrong.
Yes, it's used to describe the act of arresting someone. It's a bit more informal than arrest, but it fits well in everyday conversations.
Got it! So, you could say the police nabbed the thief who stole the car?
Exactly. And it's not just limited to police work. You could use it for any situation where someone is caught in the act of doing something wrong. The second use of nab is when you quickly seize or take advantage of an opportunity. For example, she nabbed the last ticket to the concert before it sold out. This means she quickly secured the last available ticket before anyone else could.
Oh, I get it. It's like grabbing the last piece of pizza before it's gone.
Exactly. It's about acting fast to get what you want before it's too late.
So, I could say I nabbed a good deal on a phone during a sale?
Yes, that's a perfect example. It means you took advantage of the opportunity quickly. The third use of nab is when you catch someone in the act of doing something wrong. For example, he nabbed his friend sneaking a look at the test answers. This means he caught his friend in the process of cheating.
Oh, so it can also mean catching someone red-handed.
Exactly. It's a very versatile word. You can use it for different situations where someone is caught doing something they shouldn't be.
Cool! Like catching my friend trying to sneak into a movie without a ticket.
Exactly. It's all about catching someone in the act.
So, if I nabbed the last slice of cake at a party, it means I took it before anyone else could, right?
Exactly. And you can use nab for any situation where you quickly take advantage of an opportunity or catch someone doing something.
Thanks, Sam. I'm starting to see how useful this word can be.
I'm glad you think so. Keep practicing, and you'll become even more fluent with these expressions.
Today was really helpful, Sam. I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of these new words.
That's great to hear, Samir. Keep using them in different situations, and they'll become a natural part of your vocabulary.
Will do! Thanks for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. And remember, learning new words is a continuous journey.